That AES file has been locked down with AES 256 encryption, one of the strongest commercially available encryption standards applied through the open source AES Crypt utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you encrypt, decrypt, or troubleshoot these secured files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an AES file. Here's a sneak peek. AES files are encrypted files created by AES Crypt, an open source file encryption tool. They contain data protected with AES 256 CBC encryption, derived from a user-supplied password providing strong cross-platform file security for sensitive document protection. AES Crypt files use a documented open format with a 3-byte header, AES followed by version byte extension tags, HMAC authentication data, and AES 256 CBC encrypted file content. Password-based key derivation uses SHA-256 hashing for cryptographic key generation. The native handling utility for AES files is AES Crypt by Packetizer. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows cannot open protected files directly, so external decryption is required. We are performing a quick elimination test. Right-click the AES file and choose Open With. If AES Crypt is present, test it now. If not, choose another application. One of them is the key. If your AES file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, decrypting the file. Install AES Crypt from ascrypt.com for your operating system. Right-click the AES file and select AES Decrypt or run ascrypt, dfilename.aes from the command line. Enter the encryption password when prompted, and the original file will be restored alongside the AES file. Next, encrypting files. Right-click any file and select AES Encrypt or run AES Crypt, file name from the command line. Enter a strong password when prompted. AES Crypt creates an encrypted copy with the AES extension appended. The original file remains unchanged and should be securely deleted if desired. Finally, cross-platform compatibility. AES Crypt is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Files encrypted on any platform can be decrypted on any other platform using the same password. This makes AES Crypt ideal for secure file transfer across different operating systems and devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagic. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.